Hey guys, it's my new air rifle I got. It's a Slavia 624 177, made in Czechoslovakia. It's about 420 feet per second, so it's not very high velocity. Well, let's put some lead down range. Get going. So this is the gun here. It's got a nice wooden stock on it, and you can see it's had a bit of a repair job done on it. A bit rusty on the top barrel here, top piston cylinder. It's a nice wooden stock. Let's see what else we can get on it. It's really light and accurate. It's very easy to load and just hold it easily. You know, don't even really notice you shot it. It's just so feeble. So it's quite an old gun. It's bought out of a garage sale the other day, about $40. Yeah, and you get what you aim for. So, thanks for watching.